The fourth step in installing Metastock on your theme is to add the product inventory widget. So on the product page in your Shopify theme, scroll down and under the product information, whatever that looks like on your theme, click on Add Block and PDP Inventory Tracker under apps. If you don't see this in your theme, it means your theme is not on Online Store 2.0. So if you would like, you can just request an install through the back end of your Metastock app. But if you do have this, go ahead and select PDP Inventory Tracker, and we'll drag it up to somewhere where the user can see it, right below the quantity selector. And it's working. 6 in stock at Norwich. I can check other stores now and see stock levels across multiple locations. And if I try to add more than is in stock, the add to cart button is disabled. Perfect.